We all know appliances can break down at inconvenient times. But before you call a repair person, there might be a simpler solution.
Many common appliance repairs can be tackled by homeowners who are comfortable with just a little bit of DIY. Whether it's a leaky washing machine or a dryer that just won't heat up, you might be surprised at the things you could fix yourself.
But where do you start?
But that's where Yorkshire Appliances comes in. We have a fantastic blog packed with all your appliance repair guides for all your household essentials. Our easy to follow instructions will walk you through the common repairs step by step.
Clear and concise instructions. No technical jargon, just straightforward steps to get your appliance back up and running. A wide range of appliances covered. From washing machines to ovens, from dishwashers to refrigerators, we've got you covered. Money saving tips. Sometimes a simple fix can save you the cost of a repair.
So next time your appliance throws a tantrum, don't despair. Head over to our advice blog and see if you can fix it yourself. Visit YorkshireAppliances.com to explore our appliance home repair help pages. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time for more appliance tips and tricks from Yorkshire Appliances.